Are you looking for the best under cabinet TVs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best under cabinet TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KUVASION 15.6-inch flip-down kitchen TV. The KUVASION 15.6-inch flip-down kitchen TV is a space-saving and convenient option for any kitchen. Its glossy silver gray finish and 15.6-inch FHD screen provides super vivid images with a wide viewing angle, making it easy to see from any part of the kitchen. The built-in stereo speakers, digital TV tuner, and multiple input options including HDMI 2 and USB, make it easy to connect to your favorite streaming devices. The foldable and rateable screen design allows for up and down 180-degree and right and left 270-degree rotation, ensuring you won't miss any of your favorite shows while busy in the kitchen. What we like: space-saving foldable and rateable design. Multiple input options including HDMI 2 and USB. Wide viewing angle LED panel with FHD screen. Number 2. SYLVOX Kitchen TV. SYLVOX Smart Kitchen TV is a compact 15.6-inch Full HD TV designed for kitchen use. With Google TV and Voice Assistant, you can easily control it hands-free. The high-quality display and speakers provide immersive visuals and sound, enhancing your cooking or dining experience. It offers flexible installation options, allowing you to place it on countertops, walls, or stands. Not limited to the kitchen, this versatile TV is also suitable for workshops, RVs, or small living spaces. What we like: compact size, voice control, high-quality display. Number 3. SYLVOX 15.6-inch Under Cabinet Smart TV. The SYLVOX Under Cabinet TV is designed to fit perfectly in your kitchen or small spaces. Its screen can rotate and flip down, letting you watch from different angles while saving counter space. Powered by Google TV, you can easily access cooking apps to make meal prep more fun and efficient. The TV also connects wirelessly with Wi-Fi and supports ARC and CC, helping you link other devices seamlessly. With a bright 1080p Full HD display and wide viewing angles, you'll enjoy clear, vibrant images from anywhere in the room. This TV brings both convenience and entertainment to your cooking experience. What we like: 360 degrees rotation and flip-down screen. Google TV system. Wireless connectivity. 1080p Full HD display. Wide viewing angles. Number 4. SYLVOX Kitchen TV. SYLVOX Under Cabinet TV is a 15.6-inch smart television designed specifically for kitchens, RV campers, boats, and bedrooms. It has a built-in Google Play Store, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to stream your favorite shows, movies, and news while cooking. The 1080p resolution and 170-degree viewing angle ensure a crisp and clear picture from any angle. The foldable and rotatable screen can be adjusted to the perfect angle, making it easy to watch while you work. The setup is easy and requires only a few screws and a screwdriver. The TV also supports HBB TV and has a rear port for easy access to the TV antenna. What we like: smart TV with built-in Google Play. 1080p resolution with 170-degree viewing angle. Foldable and rotatable screen. Number 5. SYLVOX 15.6-inch Smart Kitchen TV. The SYLVOX Smart TV is a compact 15.6-inch television designed for kitchens and small spaces. With Android 11.0, you can easily access thousands of apps and stream your favorite shows and movies. Its 1080p Full HD display offers vibrant visuals, making cooking more enjoyable. The under-cabinet design keeps your countertops tidy while also featuring a timer function to help you manage cooking times. Plus, with multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can connect your devices effortlessly for a personalized viewing experience. What we like: compact design for small spaces. High-definition picture quality. Easy app access and streaming. Multiple connectivity options.